Okay, this is a video tutorial in case of we continue in flexibility and with the instructions for activities for English 3, the Unit 2, looking for a job. This is edited by Adrián Jacker Agudelo. The objectives: identify your present or future profession, professional title, recognize jobs in which you can work at the end of your career, identify the abilities, capacities, and knowledge connected to your job. Now about the expressions and vocabulary to present a job interview, and a general review of grammar, present, past, and future tenses. Identify your profession, so please answer this question. What is your present or future profession? What is the title you will receive at the end of your career? What jobs can you apply for when you finish your career? Here we have a list of some professions connected to academic or university professions. For example, accountant, architect, artist, author, civil engineer, consultant, dentist, designer, doctor, event planner, fashion designer, freelancer, editor, professor, interpreter, journalist, lawyer, librarian, manager, musician, nurse, nutritionist, painter, pharmacist, and photographer. Now, please review this video in this link and identify the differences among the concepts knowledge, skills, and abilities. Based on the video, answer these questions. What is knowledge, and what are examples of knowledge? Here we have from the video the definition. Knowledge is the theoretical, conceptual, or procedural understanding required to perform certain tasks. Knowledge can be gained from a book, studying a certain degree, or researching online. Having knowledge of how to do something does not necessarily mean that you can physically do it, even if you understand the steps, what you should be done. The examples: you can have knowledge about health and nutrition, biology, business management, counseling practices, certain psychological concepts, and the structure and content of the English language. Answer the questions: what are skills, and what are examples of skills? On the video, we know that the skills, difference between skills and knowledge, that knowledge is theoretical and skills are practical proficiencies. Skills are learned behaviors that can be improved over time through training and working experience. So skills are practical and you learn by practice. Some examples: you can have proficiency in Excel and Word. You can have ability in English language, or analyzing complex data, or writing, or project management, or interviewing. Answer the questions: what are abilities, and what are examples of abilities? From the video, we know that abilities are innate characteristics, while skills are learned. So the innate or born characteristics, normally what we call the innate abilities we call talents. And abilities are enduring capabilities, personality traits, or talents needed to perform certain tasks well. Because abilities are innate, they are more difficult to train. Some examples: the ability to teach, analytical thinking, creativity, organization, detail-oriented, patience, and compassion or empathy. Abilities, skills, and knowledge create the division between soft skills and hard skills. The soft skills are connected with communication, self-motivation, leadership, responsibility, teamwork, problem-solving, decisiveness, ability to work under pressure and time management, flexibility, and negotiation or conflict resolution. These are, in general terms, general activities that can be used in different areas of expertise, study, or work. But the hard skills are specific abilities normally we learn by study. For example, software development, obtaining degree certificates in different areas, learning of artificial intelligence, networking wireless, SEO and SEM marketing, the administration, management and direction positions, business analysis, foreign languages, machine learning and cybersecurity. So, answer these questions. Describe 3 of your soft skills you consider important to your profession and 3 of your hard skills you consider important to your profession. So the question is how to talk about the skills and abilities in English. There are specific expressions to talk about your skills. For example, pay close attention to. I pay close attention to details. Be a good team player. I am or you are a good team player. Be a natural leader. She is a natural leader. Have good or excellent skill. For example, I have good communication skills. Be a particular characteristic person. For example, you are a perfectionist person. Be good at, she is good at multitasking, and be very strict to self. I am very strict to myself, yourself, or other selves. Now, use the previous expression to talk about your skills and mention 3 of your most relevant skills you connect to your future job. We can use also modals to talk about skills and abilities. For example, can, that implies capacity or ability, be able to, and the possibilities could, may, and might. For example, I can write 100 words per minute, or you are able to design in AutoCAD program, or, in the case of possibilities, he could be more punctual, or may I go to the bathroom, or I may contribute with the research to the project. Might is similar to could. It's a possibility, an offer, or an advice. We might improve our communication skills by practicing. Now, use the previous modal verbs to talk about your 3 most relevant capacities connected to your future job. Now, we need to recognize particular professional skills and abilities. For example, management skills include planning, organizing, scheduling, assigning or delegating activities, directing, hiring or contracting, measuring production, setting or establishing standards, work under stress conditions, work with people, travel frequently, work as a team member, personal practices, time management, and negotiating strategies. Now use the previous vocabulary to describe 3 of your present management skills. The financial skills are calculating, projecting, budgeting, recognize problems, solve problems, finger dexterity, ability or capacity to concentrate or focus, handle detailed work, orderly thinking, accounting procedures, data processing, operate business machines, financial concepts, and investment principles. Now, recognize your professional abilities. Use the vocabulary to describe your present financial skills.